getting wet. Oh, Mom.
Busy trimming.
Naked. That was smart. They put bags of soil
Around to hold their trees down. They sure did, didn't they?
That's a nice car. There's another tree now.
Where?
Up there.
Oh, yeah.
Look, who's talking? That's my friend's house.
Very nice pool.
There's shingles.
And look, that's where they're.
There's a ton of shingles.
Yeah, that's where they're
everywhere.
There.
There's a ton of shingles.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Lord, on ours.
We'll have our house checked.
There's a palm
tree. That lady almost slipped.
Oh, the palm tree broke. That big one.
Where?
Oh my gosh, look at that tree!
Oh, it sure did.
That tree like snapped in half and then they had to move it. You see?
Yeah.
It's just like the little stubby.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
Oh, there's another fence down.
I don't think these people
There's
know
more down here, too. They're pumping. Is that electricity?
Look, 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 look.
That electricity.
How do you know?
Okay, look, the light right there in front of us.
Oh, it sure do. Maybe it's heading this way.
All of them have electricity.
Maybe they're.
You think we got some just now? We might be on a different circuit. I think that's our push that was on, wasn't it?
No.
Look at this.
What?
Trees. What happened was the ground saturated and then it fell over.
That's what I thought was going to happen with our saturated. That's why they parked that car close to their house. That's not a bad idea.
That's Seth's house.
That's fine.
And you're getting me away.
Yeah.
I like that house.
Now they have fairly new concrete. The tree's not right there.
Branches down there.
Big old branch.
There's a little puppy here.
A lot of people park their cars like that. Is that to protect the garage or their cars? Look at that. Their whole fence is way over on the other side of their backyard. They lost a tree too. These people got quite a bit of damage. Look at their cars.
I know. Our cars probably look like that too.
Yeah, but keep going.
They have a bunch of people there.
Here. This house, the farming house?
Look, they have lights. Did they when we came back just a second
I don't know, I didn't look.
I was looking at that tree.
See, they have
Did you get that tree there?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
once you
it's
did
industrial,
roll
yeah.
window down, I couldn't see it because I'm on 40.
We have power. Come on over, Kristen. Who? This girl?
Whoa! Miss Lisa's plants are all messed up.
Look at her little tree. Her little tree's still standing tall.
Yeah. Good job, Lily.
Oh, you mean run back inside and turn on our
Let me go try.
or something?
Let me go try.
Let everyone know.
I don't see anybody else's lights on.
Well, let me go try. I'll go try.
Maybe it's working its way this way.
I'm driving.
I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go through the garage.